17.
Good job. 17 rules. Okay, what's the first rule?
No, we don't remember.
The soccer field.
The soccer field.
The second one?
We don't know. The soccer ball.
The third one?
We don't. The uniforms.
Okay, good. The fifth one?
You mean the fourth one?
Okay. The fourth one?
I don't know. The players.
The fifth one?
What? The referee.
Good job. 17 rules. Okay, we have a big game to do. I want everybody to just get up, and the little baby will be fine. He won't fall.
Okay.
If you're away. Okay, when I say 3, we all stand up. Okay? 1, 2, 3, go! Stand up. Stand up. Stand up. Stand up.
Pretending.
Okay. Okay. Now, when I do the whistle still. Ready? Here. I will help you. I'll help me and your team. You're going to win. We need 10 more votes. Go! My banana baby is on your team, okay? I want to catch now. Want to catch now again? Want to catch now again?
You finish?
Yeah. Come on.
Despídete.
Ciao.
No, pues de los que están en la clase de soccer.
Bye, everybody. And on Tuesday, they're going to the class again.
Okay.
Okay, on Tuesday, we're going to the soccer practice again. Okay? Okay, bye-bye. See you later, alligators. Mommy?